So I got some more cupcakes for Gordo for his school, right? So like I said, the 18-pack of eggs, big Kaides cookies, the kids Kool-Aid jammers, spray for ¿para qué?
Baño.
Para el baño. And what is that? Yakules. Okay, so I got a blue one, a red one, and then 2 of these.
Mom, this
Okay.
one, I know how it is.
What is that?
Corn?
Corn. Okay, so a lata de corn.
What is this?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Got some sugar.
Again.
Another corn. And then I got a strawberry jarrito for Cade. What is this? Dish soap for the dishes. And this one smells good. It's the apple scent. So I got the rompope for Kaiden because he loves rompope. The gelatina. And then I got some pinol. No, don't open it. Don't open it.
Yeah.
And then some whipping topping. I got a juice. The napkins. Oh, paper towels, actually. Paper towels, a big packet.
What is this? I love this.
Some cereal. Oh, too much energy. Okay, I got some pancake mix because I didn't have that much anymore. Kayla, can you come down, please? The only thing I got for this week of meat is this carne. I got it because I want to make some milanesa or something of what, like.
This my favorite.
What is it?
Uva.
I got some grapes, some uvas.
That's my favorite.
Oh, be careful. To make a caldito. Hot dog. Some cheese for your sandwich.
Yeah.
Some yellow cheese. Some bananas. Some tortillas. I didn't find the original ones that Kaide likes. So yeah.
Hot dog.
For some hot dogs.
That's my favorite.
What is that?
Mango.
Mango. Okay, for who?
Daddy.
Okay,
Gator.
Okay. Some lechuga. Put it right here on the ground. If you want, put it right here. Lechuga. Because I'm going to make some enchiladas michoacanas this week for sure now. Some tomatillo. What is that? What is that? Pears. Pears. Okay, you tell them then. What is it?
Pepino?
Pepino.
That's the favorite. No, not me.
Some limones.
I want to get that with a booty. Ew.
Yeah, gordo. What is that?
Apple.
Some apples.
And
what is this?
Apple. Kiwi.
That's not kiwi. What is it?
One of it.
No. So I got 2 cebollas. And then some.
Pears.
That's not pears. That's tomates, and some cilantro. And then a 35-pack of water. And then here's cocoa. Here's cocoa. Here's Cade. No, don't do that. And it was $140 for all this. See you guys.